Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to making tuna penne pasta. Okay, we have here butter, we have here heavy cream, okay, alfredo sauce, capsicum, onion, mushroom, tuna and pasta. Okay, now we start. Guys, I just put onion. I want to add additional onion here, okay, in the pasta, because why? I want to change the pasta taste, okay. I want to make different style. Now I just close it, okay. Guys, we need to just make it, okay. Now I want to add mushroom also, huh? Now we put tuna also, okay. Then we close it for few minutes. Okay guys, after we will mix it. Now guys, we are going to mixing, okay. Now guys, our tuna is ready, okay. We are going to put the capsicum. We add capsicum. Okay, we just mix it. Guys, we check it. Okay, done. We are going to adding the heavy cream. Mix it nicely. Now we are close for 1 minute, okay guys. Now guys, we will take it. I just add black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, now I add pasta also, huh? Now guys, we need to just mix. Our pasta is ready, okay. We are going eating, okay. Yeah, pasta is ready. Now guys, we are going to eating, okay. Bismillah. Bismillah. MashaAllah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Bye. See you next vlog.